Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple Business Connect for local SEO listings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Apple Business Connect for local SEO listings, visit the Apple Business Connect website. Create an Apple ID if you do not already have one. Once you have your Apple ID, sign in to Apple Business Connect. Select the option to add a new location if your business is not already listed. Enter the name of your business and its address in the provided fields. Make sure the address is accurate to ensure proper listing. After filling in your details, click on the Continue button. You may need to verify your location through a verification process. This typically involves receiving a verification code via mail or phone. Once you receive the code, return to the Apple Business Connect portal to input it. Next, fill out your business profile by providing essential information, such as your website, phone number, and business hours. It's important to ensure all information is consistent with your other local SEO listings. Upload high-quality images that showcase your business, products, or services. This can enhance your listing's appeal and improve customer engagement. After completing your profile, review all the information carefully. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Once satisfied, submit your profile for review by Apple. Apple may take some time to approve your listing, so be patient. After approval, your business will be listed on Apple Maps and other Apple platforms. Regularly check your listing to keep it updated with any changes. Stay informed about any updates or changes to Apple Business Connect policies. This will help you maintain the accuracy and effectiveness of your local SEO strategy. By following these steps, you will successfully authorize Apple Business Connect for your local SEO listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.